Flysak Lubrication Technology Guangdong Company Limited, established in 2022, is a professional lubricant manufacturer engaged in the producing and sale of motorcycle engine oil, gasoline engine oil, diesel engine oil, transmission oil, hydraulic oil, etc. We locate in Foshan, China, covering 6 production lines with the base oil storage capacity of nearly 10,000 tons, lubricant design annual capacity of more than 60,000 tons. Our factory is equipped with automatic batching and blending system, high-speed filling production line, etc. to achieve full production automation. We have obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and EELQMS certificates. All our products are strictly tested before leaving the factory. We built a complete R&D testing laboratory equipped with high-end inspection and analysis testing instruments, such as viscosity tester, high temperature and high shear tester, pH tester, flashpoint tester, etc. Advanced hardware facilities provide a strong guarantee for lubricants products testing and after-sales service. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always ensure full customer satisfaction. With competitive prices, high-quality products, and timely delivery, we have gained a high reputation among domestic and abroad customers. We sincerely welcome clients all over the world to cooperate with us. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Flysak is your best lubricating oil partner.